how to make group on Roblox. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, you need to sign in with your account on Roblox. Okay, next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three lines at the top left, and you will see multiple options. You will see right here groups, so I'm gonna just click on it. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. As you can see right here, search groups to join if you want to join some groups, or you can create your own group. So in our case, we're gonna just create our new group, and we're gonna name our group, let's say for example, Epic. Okay, Epic group. And you're gonna talk about your group here in the description, and you're gonna say that this is a group for some players and stuff. And here you will enter the as they say, emblem or the picture of that group right here. You can select it from your computer, and here you will see the settings. Anyone can join. It's a public group or manual approval. And after we click manual approval, you're gonna just click here the 100. Alright, so you will need like over 200 Roblox coin in order to create your own group. How do we buy the 100 or the 200 Roblox coin? So as you can see right here on my username at the top, you will see notification and you will see the Roblox. So I'm gonna just click the Roblox icon, and here you will just click buy Roblox, and it will direct us to a Roblox place that you can buy the Roblox coin. And as you can see, you can subscribe and get more by just taking 450 a month, or you can just take a one-time thing, Roblox coin 400 for our currency is 20 Saudi Arabian riyals. Okay, the same goes for 800, 1700, or for 4500 in such. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here. I'm gonna just start paying with my credit card or debit card, PayPal, or redeem Roblox card and all that, and you'll be able to buy the currency of Roblox to create your own group. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.